Creating an online store can seem daunting, but with the right tools and knowledge, it can be a relatively straightforward process. In this video, we will walk you through the steps of creating an online store, from selecting a platform and setting up your website to designing your store, adding products, and accepting payments. Step 1. Select a platform. The first step in creating an online store is selecting a platform. There are a number of different options available, including Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Magento. Each platform has its own set of features and pricing options, so it's important to research and compare them to find the one that best suits your needs. Step 2. Set up your website. Once you've selected a platform, the next step is to set up your website. This will involve choosing a domain name and hosting, as well as customizing your website's design and layout. Many platforms offer a variety of templates and design options, making it easy to create a professional-looking website. Step 3. Design your store. After your website is set up, it's time to design your store. This includes creating categories, adding product descriptions, and uploading product images. You can also customize your store's layout, such as adding a logo, slider, and other elements. Step 4. Add products. Once your store is designed, it's time to add products. This includes creating product listings, adding product descriptions, and uploading product images. You can also set pricing, product options, and inventory levels. Step 5. Accept payments. Finally, you'll need to set up a payment gateway to accept payments. This can be done through a variety of options, such as PayPal, Stripe, or Square. Make sure to research the fees and terms of each option to find the one that best suits your needs. Step 6. Promote your store. Once your store is set up and ready to go, it's important to promote it. This includes creating a social media presence, running ads, and reaching out to influencers to help spread the word about your store. In conclusion, creating an online store can seem daunting, but with the right tools and knowledge, it can be a relatively straightforward process. By following these steps, you can have your own online store up and running in no time. Remember to choose the right platform, design your store, add products, accept payments, and promote your store to reach a larger audience. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks.